Hi, Pipeline admins. Thanks for joining me in account settings. We're going to look at performance lanes. Performance lanes are great for tracking KPIs and revenue streams. What is a KPI? A KPI is a key performance indicator. It measures how effectively your team, organization, or individual meets business objectives or goals. As you start adding deals, you can create performance pulse goals, and this is where you would add your lanes. Each lane represents different revenue paths for your business. So some examples are brands, or like as you see here, product lines. You can add manufacturers or services. Your users, when adding a deal, will choose a performance lane, and you can, in some different settings, which we'll go into later, make that mandatory that they add that performance lane, which just makes for better goal reporting. Performance goals also help boost user adoption and motivates with some friendly competition. You can add new lanes here. You can enter the name of your lane, enable that for deals, and hit that green check mark. You can edit any existing line by clicking here and edit or delete and start over. You can learn more about Performance Pulse in the Goals section, found over here in the navigation under Tools and Goals.